Welcome to the game changer in basketball technology. Introducing Layuplyfe Airless Basketball. This revolutionary ball is now available on Kickstarter. Crafted from advanced recycled plastic and precision 3D printing, our airless basketball represents the pinnacle of innovation. This airless basketball delivers exceptional bounce and unmatched durability, the result of rigorous testing and experimenting with countless materials to perfect the ideal formula. The secret lies in our unique double-layer honeycomb design that not only enhances the ball resilience, but also provides an authentic bounce like an official basketball. After shooting the ball on the hoop, it returns without a scratch, showcasing its unmatched durability. Every basketball player deserves to experience the distinctive feel of our airless basketball. Its innovative design provides a new and exciting sensation, one that's truly unlike anything you've ever played with before. Join us in redefining the game. By backing our Kickstarter campaign, you'll be among the first to own this groundbreaking ball and experience the future of basketball firsthand.